In this tutorial, we will review the use of basic statistical forecasting methods in IFP. A good choice of forecasting model for any item can only be made through consideration of past and likely future market conditions, as well as any patterns in historical demand for the item. To start, we must select the relevant data files and items to be included. We do this by selecting Forecasting, Statistical Forecasting. Here, we will use a combination of historical demand and working forecast files. Statistical forecasting is best carried out using unit data by SKU. This displays the statistical forecasting dashboard. Here, we list all selected items and their trend models. This grid shows the actual and forecast data for each item. This graph shows the actual and forecast data and the trend for the current item. For each selected item, a range of trend and seasonal models is available. Select the item and click Edit Model. Here, we have to provide the following information. The trend model. Here, we can select the general shape of the trend model required and whether or not historical data are weighted when fitting the selected model. Seasonal factors. Here, we may apply a predefined set of group-based seasonal factors or have seasonal factors estimated specifically for this item. Period options. You may select any set of consecutive historical periods to be used when fitting the selected model to available data. Choose the period to be used and click Preview. Your graph will be created. Note the nature of the underlying trend, shown in yellow. Evaluate the fit of the selected model to the selected historical data and press Apply Model when you are happy with the results. If not happy, reselect the item code and repeat the process using a different trend model. Following this, you may edit the forecast data using the Graphical Adjustment toolbar or by editing individual months directly in the data grid. Once you feel the forecast is correct, you should click the Save Data button to save any adjustments made. You should generally only need to set up each model once, as the Apply All Models feature can be used in future months. To make this as efficient as possible, we recommend creating a package and adding it as a favorite to IFP Home. To update forecasts each month using the latest available actual data, you may simply select the favorite from IFP Home, click Apply All Models, review your data, and click Save. This will greatly improve your efficiency and reduce the level of skills and knowledge required to apply statistical forecasting effectively. The accuracy of any forecast generated here depends critically on the selection of appropriate trend models and seasonal patterns for appropriate periods of historical data. For further information on this topic, search for Statistical Forecasting in our Help Center.